Jio unveils AI-based video call assistant for customer support. Reliance Jio on Monday unveiled its AI-based video call assistant service to help businesses automate customer care and communications. At the India Mobile Congress, IMC, 2019. The service can be accessed via a 4G phone call and does not require installation of any additional app, Jio said. The assistant was built in collaboration with Reliance Industries US-based subsidiary Radisys. WhatsApp disappeared from Playstore. Complain users. WhatsApp disappeared from the Google Play Store. Users worldwide complained on Friday. This means that people looking to download the app for the first time won't be able to do it from the Play Store. Media platform Mspower user reported. Mspower user added that WhatsApp later confirmed to them that the issue was resolved, without revealing a cause behind the sudden disappearance. U.S. Senator trolls Facebook on its own platform using its own policy. As Senator and 2020 presidential candidate Elizabeth Warren trolled Facebook through ads with fake news sponsored by her campaign. The politician did so after Facebook's recent policy announcement of not fact-checking political ads, allowing politicians to potentially lie. This year, the ads by Warren falsely claimed that Facebook and its CEO, Mark Zuckerberg, have endorsed U.S. President Donald Trump. Apple denies reports of sharing URLs visited by users with Tencent. Apple denied reports that it shares URLs of websites visited by some users on Safari browser to help protect against phishing scams. Safari receives a list of websites known to be malicious from Tencent for devices with region code set to mainland China. It said Apple was earlier criticized over the report due to Tencent's cooperation with the Chinese government. Late Microsoft co-founder Paul Allen's space firm sold. Late billionaire and Microsoft co-founder Paul Allen's space firm Stratolaunch has announced that it has been sold to a new unnamed owner and will continue operations with transitioned ownership. This comes months after Reuters reported that the firm was shutting down its operations. Stratolaunch had been developing a fleet of launch vehicles, including the world's largest aeroplane by wingspan.